How to schedule a post on Wix. So right here on your Wix dashboard, you want to go to your left side of your screen, and then right here click on the block. And then after that, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then choose right here on create a new post. And then from here, you can start to create your own post that you want to be scheduled. And then right here, after you've done with your post, you can go to your top right of your screen and then click on these three dots right here and then choose to schedule post. And then right here on schedule post, you can schedule whenever that you want to set the right time for your new post to be available on your blog. For example, I want to make it on May 13, and then after that, just hit on schedule. And there you go. And then right here on schedule, you can just see all of your posts that you want to be scheduled. And you can also click right here on the edit to edit the scheduled post. And then again, click on the three dots at the right side of your screen. And then choose again the schedule post. And right here, you can cancel the scheduling or even change the time and the date of the post schedule. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.